Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create faded preset using Lightroom mobile. Here are some example photos using this preset. Presets can be downloaded for free. Link in description. Let's get started. First go to Light, Exposure 0.20, Contrast plus 37, Highlights 90, Shadows plus 70. Whites minus 70. Blacks to plus 90. Press curve. Follow these steps. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more editing tutorials. And turn on bell notification. Press blue. And done. Next go to color and vibrance to plus 20. Saturation minus 10. Temperature to minus 4. Next press color mix. First press orange. Bring the hue down to minus 4. Saturation minus 10. Luminance to plus 14. Press yellow. Bring down saturation to minus 100. Luminance to minus 30. Press green. Bring down saturation to minus 100. Luminance to minus 20. Next aqua. Bring down saturation to minus 100. Luminance to minus 20. Next blue. Bring down saturation to minus 100. Luminance to minus 20. Violet and magenta saturation to minus 100. And done. Press split tone. Hue to 260 and saturation to 11 for highlights. Luminance to 24. And done. Next go to Effects. Texture to +12. Clarity to +20. Kaise to +18. Vignette -10. Midpoint to 40. Feather to 80. Next go to details. Sharpening to 30. Noise reduction to 20. Contrast to 20. Color reduction to 18. Now copy this preset to another photo. Press copy setting. Paste setting here. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more editing tutorials. And turn on bell notification. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.